What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Lover by Taylor Swift. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll kettlebell swing a tire iron into your jugular. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and there's only one chord progression that goes throughout the entire song until you get to the bridge of the song, and then it changes up a little bit. I'm going to show you how to play all of it. It uses a few different chords. The chord progression is only 3 different chords, but once you get to the bridge, it uses a lot of, it adds a few different chords in there. If you need any of the diagrams, they will be in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there along with a bunch of other really useful information for you guys. So if you need the chord diagrams, jump into the description. Once you get done with the video, the free ebook will be there for you. So the first chord of the chord progression that goes throughout most of the song is going to be G major. It's going to be 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. And then the next chord is this version of a D chord. Basically, it's 2, 0, 0, 2, 3, 3. And then you're going to a C, which is this way you're playing it here is basically a C add 9. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 3. Now your strumming pattern for the entire song basically is going to be a down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, and I'll show you what that looks like. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Like I said, that chord progression basically goes throughout the entire song. Once you get to the end of the chorus and the very end of the song, there is a little bit of a change there. It only happens one time. It's the very end of the choruses and the very end of the song. You're going G, D, E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 3, a regular D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2, and then C. And that's just single strums, and it looks like down, 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 down. So at the end of the choruses, it looks like this. Now again, that's the entire song except for the bridge, and I will show you how the bridge goes here. So it's going to be the same strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, throughout all of these chords, but you're starting with your G chord. Then you're going to go to that D chord that we're playing like this. Then you're going to go to E minor again. And then you're going to go to F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Then you're going to go to a regular C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And then you're going to go to B minor, which is 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. And then A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And then to your regular D, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. And now I know that's a lot, but I'm going to play through it right now and show you how it goes. Like I said, same strumming pattern, so we're starting here. So G, D, E minor, F, C, B minor, A minor, D. And that entire chord progression plays twice. And then you're gonna go G, F, C for 2 measures, A minor for 2 measures, and then D major, and that only plays through once. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna play through the entire bridge, the entire way that it's played, so you can see how it looks. Looks like this. Right back into the original chord progression. So to sum it all up, you have the chord progression that plays throughout the entire song, which is G, D, C. The little change up at the very end of the choruses and at the very end of the song, and then you have the bridge, and then it ends on that chord progression and the choruses. And at the very end of the choruses, they do that quick chord progression. I want to say they go through that at least 3 times. It repeats a few times. I want to say it's 3 times. It might be 4, but I think it's 3. Just listen to it and you'll be able to get that part down. But it does repeat that same chord progression a few different times to end out the song. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.